Imagine turning $50 a month into financial independence for yourself. I'm serious. That's exactly where I started. I started investing in mutual funds, just $50 a month, and I knew nothing. I read an article in Money Magazine and I was fascinated how this couple invested just $100 a month and had $100,000 in 20 years. And I was like, to me back then, that was huge. That was like winning the lottery. So, in my book, She Grows Rich: How to Become a Financial Powerhouse, I show you exactly how to start investing in mutual funds. Step by step process, because that's where I started. Yes. Am I investing more than $50 a month now? Absolutely. But it's like a muscle that you start building, right? And if you can start with just $50 a month and watch it grow, it inspires you to create more and invest more and continue to build your wealth. And just by taking that first step. But the problem is, I've talked with so many women that they don't understand it. So I dedicated a chapter of my book to conquering the market and investing in mutual funds. And it's so easy. You're not going to believe it. I teach you how to evaluate a mutual fund. I teach you what a mutual fund is, how to get started, all of that. And I even have a link to calculators that'll help you calculate how much you're going to have in 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, based on how much you invest in an average market return. But what I don't want you to do is to leave the fear of the unknown keeping you from investing, keeping you from getting started, keeping you from empowering yourself, giving you the financial knowledge and financial education. Just to simply take $50 a month and invest it for no other reason than just to say you did it. So please be sure to really dive into chapter 11 in my book, She Grows Rich: How to Become a Financial Powerhouse. And it's all there. It's all there. Exactly how to invest. And it's so simple and it's all in one chapter. So I challenge you to read that chapter and get started on your own financial independence journey.